Hello, Secret. I'm Chris Wilson, and in this tutorial, we will learn two ways to submit transactions using SecretJS and DataHub Node. We will be building on top of the Node.js application created in previous tutorials, so make sure you completed those before continuing. All right, we can navigate to datahub.figment.io, scroll down to Tutorial 4, click Start, and let's go ahead and jump into it by creating a transfer.js in our project we've been working on. And now we're going to need some code for that. DataHub has provided that for us, so let's go ahead and throw that in there. Save. Unlike before, we didn't import CosmWasm client to connect to Secret Network. Instead, we imported signing CosmWasm client, the bigger brother of CosmWasm client with signing capability to interact with a CosmWasm blockchain. It provides convenient methods for executing contracts, sending tokens, etc. So first, let's initialize that in the transfer.js file under the comment initialize client. We can add this snippet below. And save. We generated a seed and configured feed amounts before initializing the signing client. Now to send tokens, under to send tokens, we'll add the following snippet. And hit save. And then under query results, we'll add this snippet. And that's going to build out our code there. So hit Control S. All right. So let's go ahead and run the code, make sure we got everything in place and it's saved. So we'll copy the transaction hash, go there. On the explore secret testnet.io transaction / and then put your transaction hash. And there it is. Our transaction went through and made it to the blockchain. Let's move on to the advanced transfers part of the tutorial. Let's start by creating a send.js and putting the following snippet inside. And then save it. By now, this should look familiar to you. Starting from the top, we can see that we import secretjs.env and then create a new instance using CosmWasm client. This establishes the connection to our secret network node. We then get the network and account information. So in the send.js file that we just made, under define text message, we can go ahead and copy this and add that in there. And Control S. And then we want to define the fees. And we'll copy this and put that in under defining the fee. And save. And then next we're going to sign the transaction. And then we can sign the transaction with this. So we'll throw that in there. And hit Control S. And then we'll want to broadcast the transaction. So let's put that under broadcast transaction. And save. And then we will query the transaction to make sure it all worked. Control S. All right, and now we can run the script with node send.js. Awesome, look at that. And we can do the same thing with this hash that we did last time. And there it is. If everything works, you had enough tokens, recipient is valid, you should see an output similar to what we had, and you can check your hash here on the explore secrettestnet.io transaction / and then put your transaction hash. Let's go ahead and navigate on over to the DataHub. And next to tutorial 4, let's click verify. Great job! Now you not only know how to read from the secret network, but you also know how to interact with it by crafting transactions from scratch with SecretJS and DataHub. SecretJS has a lot more to offer, and we've only just scratched the surface on what this package can do. In the next tutorial, we will explore the use of SecretJS to deploy, instantiate, and query smart contracts. As always, if you've had any difficulties following this tutorial or simply want to discuss Secret and DataHub tech, you can join our Discord in the link down below. I look forward to seeing you there, and until next time, happy coding.